Where they're currently standing, if they were to go to $30, they're about 400% undervalued as of right now. Hey guys, welcome to Dreamcoin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name's Tyler, and today we're going to be going over some of the crazy price action that's happening with Lizi today, where I see them going forward, and how I think the rumors of a buyout are going to be very good for them in the future. So to quickly go over, Lizi is a company. They're a company based in China that is looking to build an ecosystem and a network of basically just like audio-based social platforms. Think like podcasting, or if you've used Twitter recently, like a lot of those voice messages that people use. They're looking to do different things with those types of elements for people online in general. And as you can see on their chart, just on their website right here, they've had a lot of crazy price action today. They're already up over $3 from where their lowest point was today, and they peaked near $8 almost as a high. And this is coming off of an article on Seeking Alpha, where it was basically stated that there is a rumor of a buyout happening for them that could price the company value quite a bit higher from where they're currently trading, basically doubling their price from when they were trading under $5. If you're unfamiliar with their different partnerships, they are partnered with a few different Chinese companies that are working with automotives and stuff like that, specifically one of the bigger ones being Xpeng Motors. A buyout would potentially give them the ability to expand far beyond where they're currently sitting, just because of the restrictions they're probably at with funding and different connections that their team currently has, looking at their different stuff that they have going on. Their CEO has them pretty bullish for the future. Like I said, the buyout would have them priced more than what their IPO listing was, which was about $11 when they went live. And they've seen highs up to around $18 at one point back in around February, which we'll be looking at more when I look at the chart here in a few. And so this would put them just 300% undervalued right now from where they could possibly be trading if a buyout were to occur and they were to expand. Obviously, they've ran a bit today, so it's a little touchy if you want to go all in, but it looks like it could be a nice setup for getting a starter position and getting in on what looks to be a reversal off of them being on pretty low price action over the last few months. Now, as we analyze the chart over here on Lizi, they were trading around that 450 and under area yesterday and today going into market, and then right when this article came out, they started exploding. And like I said, they came all the way up here around this $8 area for their peak, and so that's almost a doubling of where they were currently trading, which is off the article obviously saying they were doubling too, so that probably plays into it a little bit. But if we look at the one-day chart, this is back since February, where they were trading up to almost $17-18 at one point for like a week or two, and then they fell down quite a bit around to the $7 area. They were trading at their peak today. They went back up. They were trading above $10 for a bit of time, and they've been on a slow decline since. But this could be a setup for a nice reversal going into the official announcement of a buyout. So if you're looking for a short-term play, I would be looking for that, because the buyout could set them to be over $10, I think, is where my estimate's going to be. I'd be looking for that $10 to $12 channel is where I'd be looking to sell out if I'm playing the short term. If I'm looking long term, I'm looking for that $20 to $30 channel, where they've been estimated to be up as high as $30 by different analysts like Citron research. Where they're currently standing, if they were to go to $30, they're about 400% undervalued as of right now. Where I'm at with my current consensus is that this is going to be heavily volatile off of this news. It's probably going to pull back a little bit just because we don't know when this is going to be confirmed. There may be hype that dies down, or it could be announced and it could be dropped, that kind of thing. So I would play this carefully, but if you can get a position in fairly quick and then see how the price action goes and play off of that, whether you're averaging down or averaging up, this might be a good swing into that announcement of them possibly getting bought out. I hope that kind of breaks down what happened with Lizi today for anybody that's interested, or that just saw some charts floating around on social media and you had no clue what was going on or why they were exploding or what you should be doing, whether you're buying or selling as an investor, that kind of thing. But other than that, that's going to do it for me in this video today, guys, and I hope that gave you some good information on what was happening with them as a company and as a stock. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.